WhatsApp. You know it. You probably use it every day. From sending a quick message to sharing your favorite moments, it's become an integral part of our daily lives. It's become a global phenomenon, connecting people from all corners of the world. With over 2 billion users worldwide, it's one of the most popular messaging apps. People love its simplicity and reliability. It's easy to chat, share photos and videos, and even make voice and video calls. Whether you're catching up with an old friend or coordinating plans with family, WhatsApp makes it seamless. But WhatsApp isn't just for staying connected with friends and family. It's also revolutionizing the way businesses operate. It's become a powerful tool for businesses too. From customer service to marketing, companies are leveraging WhatsApp to enhance their operations. Companies are realizing its potential to reach a massive audience. They can send updates, promotions, and even provide support directly through the app, and they're using it to connect with customers in exciting new ways. Personalized messages and instant responses are just the beginning. The rise of WhatsApp is remarkable. From its humble beginnings to becoming a tech giant, its journey is inspiring. It shows how technology can change the way we communicate. WhatsApp has bridged gaps and brought people closer together, no matter the distance. Not just personally, but professionally as well. Teams collaborate, projects are managed, and deals are closed, all through WhatsApp. Its impact is undeniable and continues to grow. Simply put, WhatsApp marketing is using WhatsApp to promote your business. It's about connecting with your audience on a personal level. You can share updates, offer promotions, and provide customer support, all through the app. Think of it as a direct line to your customers' pockets. You're reaching them where they already spend a lot of their time. No more competing for attention in a crowded inbox. WhatsApp marketing is about building relationships. It's about having real conversations with your customers and providing them with value. Why are businesses so excited about WhatsApp marketing? Well, for starters, it's incredibly effective. WhatsApp has a high engagement rate. People are more likely to see and open a message on WhatsApp than an email. Plus, it's a very personal way to connect with your audience. You're not just a faceless brand on WhatsApp. You can build relationships with your customers by chatting with them directly. Another reason, WhatsApp offers a ton of features that are perfect for marketing. Let's dive into some of these features in the next sections. One of the best features for marketing on WhatsApp is broadcast lists. Imagine sending a single message that instantly reaches hundreds or even thousands of customers. That's the power of broadcast lists. You can create lists based on customer interests or demographics. This way, your messages are always relevant to the people receiving them. No more spamming everyone with irrelevant content. Broadcast lists are great for announcing new products, promotions, or even just sharing some company news. It's a powerful way to stay top of mind with your audience. Section 5. WhatsApp Business API. Unlocking advanced features. For larger businesses, the WhatsApp Business API is a game changer. This powerful tool lets you integrate WhatsApp with your existing CRM and marketing automation tools. Want to send personalized messages at scale? The API makes it possible. Need to set up automated responses for frequently asked questions? The API can do that too. The WhatsApp Business API unlocks a whole new level of marketing sophistication. It's how big brands are using WhatsApp to deliver seamless and personalized customer experiences. Section 6. Customer service personalized and instant. WhatsApp isn't just for marketing messages, it's also fantastic for customer service. People prefer messaging over phone calls these days, and WhatsApp provides a fast and convenient way for customers to get the help they need. You can answer questions, resolve issues, and even process returns all through WhatsApp. This level of personalized and instant support can seriously boost customer satisfaction. Think about it. No more waiting on hold for hours. WhatsApp customer service is all about making life easier for your customers. Section 7. Case Studies, WhatsApp Marketing Success Stories. In this section, we will explore how various businesses have leveraged WhatsApp to enhance their marketing strategies and achieve remarkable success. Many businesses are already seeing incredible results with WhatsApp marketing. Take Netflix, for example. This global streaming giant has found a unique way to connect with its audience on a more personal level. They use WhatsApp to send personalized movie recommendations to subscribers in India. By analyzing viewing habits and preferences, Netflix can suggest content that is highly relevant to each user, making the experience more engaging. The result? Increased engagement and higher customer satisfaction. Subscribers feel valued and understood, which strengthens their loyalty to the platform. This personalized approach has proven to be a game changer for Netflix in a competitive market. Another great example is KLM Royal Dutch Airlines. This airline has integrated WhatsApp into their customer service operations to provide a seamless travel experience. They use WhatsApp to provide flight updates, answer customer questions, and even send boarding passes. This real-time communication channel ensures that passengers are always informed and can easily access important information. This has helped them streamline their customer service and improve the overall travel experience. Passengers appreciate the convenience and efficiency, leading to higher satisfaction rates and positive feedback. These are just a couple of examples of how businesses are using WhatsApp marketing to achieve impressive results. From personalized recommendations to real-time customer service, WhatsApp offers a versatile platform for businesses to connect with their audience in meaningful ways. As more companies explore the potential of WhatsApp marketing, we can expect to see even more innovative and successful campaigns in the future. Section 8. Getting started. Tips for WhatsApp marketing. Ready to jump into the world of WhatsApp marketing? It's a powerful tool that can help you connect with your audience in a more personal and direct way. But where do you start? Here are a few tips to get you started. First, define your goals. This is crucial because it will guide your entire strategy. What do you want to achieve with WhatsApp marketing? Increased brand awareness, more sales, better customer engagement? Each goal will require a different approach, so be clear about what you want to accomplish. Next, build your audience. Encourage people to opt in to your WhatsApp list. This can be done in several ways. You can do this through your website, social media, or even in-store signage. Make it easy for people to join your list by providing clear instructions and highlighting the benefits they'll receive. Then, provide value. Don't just spam people with promotional messages. This can quickly turn people off and lead them to unsubscribe. Share valuable content like tips, advice, or behind-the-scenes glimpses of your business. This helps to build trust and keeps your audience engaged. Also be responsive. When people message you, respond promptly and professionally. This shows that you value their time and are committed to providing excellent customer service. Finally, use multimedia. Don't be afraid to get creative with your WhatsApp marketing. Multimedia can make your messages more engaging and memorable. Use images, videos, GIFs, and even voice notes to make your messages more engaging. These elements can help to capture attention and convey your message more effectively. Remember, WhatsApp marketing is all about building relationships. It's not just about selling products or services. Focus on providing value and creating a positive experience for your audience. By doing so, you'll build a loyal customer base that will support your business for the long term. So, start implementing these tips today and watch your WhatsApp marketing efforts pay off. Section 9. Measuring success. Tracking your WhatsApp marketing efforts. Like any marketing channel, it's important to track your results on WhatsApp. How do you know if your campaigns are working? Thankfully, WhatsApp provides some helpful metrics. You can track how many people are opening your messages, clicking on your links, and even making purchases. This data can help you fine-tune your WhatsApp marketing strategy and get even better results. By analyzing your data, you can understand what's resonating with your audience and make adjustments as needed. Section 10. Conclusion: the future of WhatsApp marketing. WhatsApp marketing is still relatively new, but it's already clear that it's here to stay and grow. As more and more people rely on messaging apps, businesses that embrace WhatsApp marketing will have a significant advantage. It's time to start thinking about how you can use this powerful platform to connect with your audience, build relationships, and grow your business. The future of marketing is personal, and it's happening right now on WhatsApp.